In this video, I'm going to reveal my step-by-step plan to take this product from $0 to $100 per day with affiliate marketing. We're going to go through the exact process from picking a product to creating content and actually earning commissions. So make sure you watch this entire video to learn exactly what you need to do to start affiliate marketing today. Hi, my name is Alston Godbolt with alstongodbolt.com. I create content to help you make money online and not just to put money into my own pockets. And if you want to be added to this globe, simply reply or comment down below with your city, state, province, country, and I'll get you pinned. All right, so one of the questions that I get all the time is, how do I actually get started with affiliate marketing? And if you've asked that question recently, this entire video is for you. As I mentioned, we're gonna go through the entire process from picking a product, creating content, and actually earning affiliate commissions. Now, what you see on the screen here is the product that I purchased. It's called the Ring Car Cam. Now, the reason why I purchased this product is because it's brand new. I purchased it for the purpose of this case study, but this is where I recommend everybody start. If you're brand new, find a new product to the market. This is also why I believe that there's no such thing as a saturation with affiliate marketing, because this product is brand new. If we go over to YouTube, for example, and I just type in Ring Car Cam, you can see that there isn't a ton of competition, a ton of content about this product. You can see for yourself that small channels are actually getting tons of views with this product. So this is why I went with it. I purchased this product solely for this case study. And by the way, if you want to see the real results of this case study, be sure to join my House of Affiliates, where I will be providing updates on the progress of this opportunity. So let's go ahead and talk about what we need to do. The first thing that we need to do is we need to pick a product. Now, the reason why I went with this product, as I mentioned, is because it's brand new. If I go over to YouTube and or Google and I just type in Ring Car Cam, you can see that there isn't a lot of content out there. And if you're trying to get started with affiliate marketing, you should either start with brand new products that are in the marketplace or products that you already have. And if you don't have any, if you can't afford to spend any money to buy a new product, come over to Amazon or Best Buy or Target or wherever, and you're going to click on orders. So we're going to click on orders, returns and orders like this. And you're going to just scroll down and you're going to look through the different things that you've purchased, because these purchases have solved a problem for you. And so I'm just going to type in Ring like this because that is the product we're going to promote. And now we've got our product. The next step is to think about where we're going to create content. And for this opportunity, we can create content in two places. We can create content on TikTok and we can actually create content on YouTube. So what we're going to do is we're going to come over to TikTok like this, and we are going to take a look and see if people are creating content about this Ring Car Cam. As you can see, people are looking up different things. So I'm just going to hit enter here, Ring Car Cam, and you can see 13,000 views, 32,000 views. This is from CES. This is part of the reason why I picked the product, because it was recently announced during CES. 1.3 million views about the Ring Car camera. And so we can see that there is lots of opportunity. Also, we're going to do the same thing with YouTube. We're going to come over to YouTube and we are going to simply paste in Ring Car Cam, and you can see people are asking tons of questions about the Ring Car Cam. And this is where we're going to get our ideas. Okay, and so now we've decided that we're going to create content on both TikTok and YouTube. Could you start a blog with this? Yes. Could you do Pinterest with this? Maybe. Facebook group, you'd have to zoom out and maybe talk about security cameras, but this could work for any traffic source. But I like talking about TikTok and YouTube because I like to create video content. Anyway, as you can see here, now we're starting to get a list of ideas, a list of content to create. Amazon Ring Cam unboxing. Now, what I'm going to do right now is I'm actually going to show you my unboxing. Earlier this morning, I had my son actually hold the phone while I was unboxing the product, and you're going to be able to see this over my shoulder. I'm going to make it a little bit faster so that, you know, we're not spending this whole time doing it, but you can see this unboxing is really simple and really easy. But if we look at this, you can see that 1.7 thousand views, 2,000 subscribers, 71,000 views, 2.8 thousand subscribers. So if you're wondering, will this work? The answer is yes. Obviously, this will work. But if we come back up here and we delete this, we can see that people are asking all sorts of questions. Look at Ring Car Cam features, for example. Once again, 281,000 views. CNET's a big company. Life Hackster's a big company. 15,000 views, 931,000 subscribers. But look at this one, 545 views, 79 subscribers. So any YouTuber, TikToker of any size can do this, and we could put together a 10-minute video talking about all of the features. Okay, and the reason why I'm going with this product is because there's almost no demand for this at all, because when we type in Ring Car Cam features, no one's actually hitting that keyword. And that's what you want to do. You want to hit that keyword. So if we delete this, we can see that there are tons of different opportunities. But wait, there's more. What I'm also planning to do too is I'm going to come back over to Amazon and I'm going to look at the answered questions, because these people want to buy this product, but they're just not sure yet. So we can scroll through, does it have any local disk storage? So that could be a video that we create. It would be like Ring Car Cam local disk storage options. We create a video explaining the options, and then we can post that. And the more videos that we post on this product, the better chances we are going to rank for this product and be known as a subject matter expert. Just think, if every one of our videos started with Ring Car Cam and then features and then local storage, we are naturally going to be known for this Ring Car Cam. We're going to build a following, and then we can niche up. We can niche up to security cameras. We can niche up to car cameras, in-dash cameras. We can niche up into the technology space. If this is making sense, comment makes sense, because this is how you could get started with affiliate marketing today. It's really that easy. Okay, so we come back over to Amazon, and you can see there are, I think, 800 questions that we could essentially talk about and create content. Can this be wired direct without an OB2 connector? That's an interesting question that you can see there are at least 22 answers. So there are lots of people that are wondering the same thing, and you can simply create that content. So we've got the product. We know where we're going to create the content. We know the type of content we should create. Now you might be wondering, how do we find an affiliate program? Obviously, Amazon has an affiliate program. If we scroll down to the bottom of the screen, you can see Become an Affiliate. We could click on this link and apply to join the program. If you want to be an affiliate for Amazon, you need to either have a YouTube channel, a website, or an app. And when you apply, you're going to get what's called a conditional acceptance. You need to get 3 qualified sales within a certain time frame in order to become fully into the Amazon affiliate program. Another thing that we can do is we can come up to Google and we can type in Ring affiliate program like this, and we can take a look and see if there are other affiliate programs. We could take a look at Target. We could take a look at Best Buy. We could take a look at B&H Photo. But you can see here that there aren't really any that are on target. But I know that we could also type in something like tech affiliate programs like this, hit enter, and we can see that there are different opportunities out there. Authority Hacker, for example, has put together a list of the 12 best tech affiliate programs. If we scroll down, we could look to apply to these different affiliate programs if they have this product, if they're selling this product. But I know that Best Buy does. I believe Target might as well. We could also look at B&H Photo, as I mentioned. But this is how you would find affiliate programs. You're simply going to apply. You're going to outline and describe your method and your process for earning commissions. You are going to write a business plan. Don't just say, I want to promote Ring because Ring is good. You are going to lay out your plan. In fact, lay out the plan that I've laid out for you. Tell them why you want to do this product and why you think you can help them, because they want to work with people that are going to grow their brand. You outline that you're going to create TikTok and YouTube videos promoting Ring only. They're going to want to work with you, okay? And if they say no for whatever reason, there are hundreds if not thousands of other brands or opportunities out there. So you're simply going to apply to like 5 affiliate programs, and that's fine. The next step, what I want you to do after you start creating content, is start thinking about the types of people that want this Ring Car Cam. What other problems are they having? What other insecurities and issues are they encountering? We're going to use those problems, insecurities, and issues, and we're going to create a lead magnet. We're going to then give that lead magnet away for free in exchange for their email. So that way we can sell this product, we can promote this product, and we can be building our email list. I might come up with a checklist on 10 ways to secure your car, 10 ways to prevent your car from getting stolen, how to hide valuables in your car, something along those lines, something to target this group of people. We're going to give that away in exchange for their email address, and then we can follow up with email marketing. If these guys are interested in car security, they might be interested in other car accessories that we could potentially promote. That way we can make more money with a fewer group of people. So again, let me know if this makes sense. Comment makes sense in the comment section if you follow and understand this process, because this is the exact process that I used in order to start making $100 per day with affiliate marketing. So again, get a product, figure out what your target audience wants to know, create that content, put your affiliate links in the description of your YouTube videos, and then start email marketing. It's really as simple as that. Now that you know how to take a product from $0 to $100 per day, click the first link in the description for my free affiliate marketing planners. Those planners will help you plan and organize your affiliate marketing business so that you can make more money online. Click the first link in the description or go to alstongodbolt.com/start to get your planners today. Watch this video next because YouTube says it will help you grow your online business.